Alright, gang, we're back for another video. Alright, gang, so in this video, I'm just going to be showing y'all the pyramid trend. Okay, that's what it's called. I'm going to call it the pyramid trend. Alright, so look for the pyramid trend throughout, like on the 15, you can see it on the 1 minute, but look for it like in the past. Look for the pyramid trend. It should make like a pyramid, like in the past too, and that's how you know we're in a pyramid trend. Like it should do the same exact thing. Like you'll see one right here. So pyramid trend right here. Like it went right to 1790 and back. Like basically right back to 1783. Right back to 1783. Like it would do that sometime from 1790, 1783. So like you'll see that sometimes. I want to show y'all that a few times real fast. Like you can see it. Just like tricks so you can like use like price. This is like the pyramid is going up the pyramid, then it's going down the pyramid. Called the pyramid trend. See on the 5 minute back up. This is tradingview.com. Like tradingview.com. All use these, like all the traders use these charts. So going up the trend, going down the trend, pyramid trend. See it on the 1 minute. Pyramid trend on the 1 minute. That's what it looks like. And just so you should draw this and like it should go to those next two areas though on the 15. You can see it again on the 15 game. I'm gonna be breaking these videos down more and more, so don't even worry. Like it should go to one of these areas, like this next square from here to here, like so. It should go to 1795, 1790, like right back to this area soon, and then from 1790 to 1785, and then 1780. So look for that in like the future. Should be doing that soon. Pyramid trend. That's just what it looks like though. Boom, on a 5 minute, 1795. Boom, should go to 1790, 1790, 1785. I don't have it draw up here, or do I? I have it close to it, 1787. But 1780, 1785, boom, 1780, 1775. So it should go to those areas, and look out for that. Like, so these is like zones that price is going to go to. Like, should go to this next zone right here. You can just draw the pyramid trend and then just like play with it. Like, go to the rectangle and just draw like your zones that price should go to. Like around these areas. Like price should drop down to this area, like 1790. That's the next key level after 1795, which is where it's at. It's at 1798. It's going to go to 1795, then to 1790. Eventually, like, so these is like the next area. You can draw rectangles, call it like these your zones that price likes to go to. So go to these zones, these areas of zones. Like you ask me, boom. Then you don't have to take profit on there, but of course you can keep the take profit. We're looking for what, a 1 to 3, 1 to 4. This is 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. Meaning like 4 trades. We're like trading for like 4 trades instead of like 1 to 4. 4 trades in a row. Like this is how much we want. just want one trade, which would be a 1-to-1, or two trades would be a 1-to-2, at least, or three, unless we're scraping, and we're up in the lot size. You want it to be 1-to-4, or and better, 1-to-5, 1-to-6. We're looking for like that to hold the trade. If we're like entry trading, trading, or like swing trading for like a 2, 3, 4 days, we can swing it and like trade it for like 3 to 4 days, and that's what we're planning on doing here. No point in getting out. We just ride it down, swing it all the way down to here, 1775, from 1813, boom, 1775, boom, got the trade, boom, made our profit, boom, made like 2-3 grand, boom, we're good. And that's how we would do that. I want to show y'all on, like, if you go to all, you can also see the pyramid trend. Like, so you should just play with it. Should do the same thing. Boom, went all the way up to 1780, 70, 80, 1780, 90, out there. See it doing the same thing, heading down. Pyramid trend. Boom, right there. Like, another one right here. Of course, you see that one. This is for the monthly. And it's looking like for the month again, it's making another pyramid trend, but on a smaller time frame. See a little pyramid trend right here. So, like, just play with it, have fun. Go to tradingview.com and start, just playing with it. Watch all the videos that I got, and the trend line. If it's above the trend line, if it's below the trend line, we're in an uptrend. If it's above the trend line, we're in a downtrend. Like, actually, it's supposed to be like this. This is how the pyramid trend looks, actually. It looks exactly like this. This is how you draw it. You draw it from the uptrend. So if it's an uptrend, the candle should be, this is an uptrend, the candle should be above the trend line. See, the candles are above this trend line. So we're in an uptrend. I should draw it a little better so you can see it's exactly above this trend line. So we're in an uptrend. This is how you draw the pyramid trend. If you was trying to figure out how to draw it, I was drawing it wrong. And then it's below. If we're in a downtrend, the candles obviously will be below this trend line. We're in an uptrend. It'll be below. See, the candles are below this trend line, so we're in a downtrend. If we're in an uptrend, the candles will be above this trend line. If we're in a downtrend, the candles will be below this trend line. So that's how you make your money above. See, candles are above this trend line. And this is another trick that I could use. The candles tell you a lot too. Like, for the month, to see what's going on for the month. For gold, going down for the month, actually. So yeah, you can draw your trend lines, and this is on the 1 hour trend line, on the trend line, pyramid trend line. You can draw your pyramid trend line, and you can see what price is doing, like, for 1 hour, and have fun with it, gang. All right, so I hope these videos help. It's called pyramid trend line. Go study these videos, gang, and once you're comfortable enough, get in this market, start making money. Once you know all the rules and everything, just up the lot size. It's like $1, 50 cent, 75. You'll be good. All right, so gang.